got special buy of the day. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more deals, press glitches. Yes, we did have a glitch this morning. This I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of the video if it's still available. It was for the high torque impact wrench and for the rigid high torque. Hopefully, it's still available for you guys to get. And the ratchet, of course. Those are 3/4 inch high torque impact wrench and a 1/4 inch ratchet from Bridget. So that was a glitch, price glitch earlier this morning. All right, so we got the special buy of the day. Let's see if we got anything new other than that. Here's a brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver. $199 with the ratchet, so it's not bad. It's actually pretty good. Here's another good one for you guys that do Ryobi. This is a 4-mode 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench. Does include a HP battery, so this was $1,879. All right, so this one's the XR. This was the 845, I believe. Yeah, 845 with a power stack. That's actually a pretty dang good deal, guys. Definitely jump on this one. As I just did a video about the 840. This is the 845. Very, very close to the 840. So definitely with the 3-speed, plus you're getting the power stack. That's a really good deal, guys. Jump on this one. I'll leave you guys all the links down below in the description section of the video. Oscillating tool for $99. That's actually pretty good, not bad. $279 is pretty good. We've seen it before. Surge with the ratchet, $159, pretty good deal. $269, we've seen that before. We've seen this before. Pretty solid deal on those. Installation driver and the solder kit or solder gun. $169. Let's see what else we have. $169 for the grease gun. Let's see. A cutoff tool and a battery, $149. Planer dust bag, 2 amp hour battery, $138. A cutoff tool, $119. Now this is the glitch that I was telling you guys about. This is a 3/4 inch high torque impact wrench for $75. That is a glitch, guys. That is a double discounted glitch, or maybe a triple discount. Who knows what it is? I'm stacked with the Father's Day and the special buy of the day. 5-tool combo kit. All right, here's the other one. Here's the ratchet that I was telling you guys. $59. That's killer deal for those two. Other than that, pretty much the regular high performance lithium batteries, $119. If you need the batteries for that high torque impact wrench, this is right here. They're 4 amp hour battery starter kit, $69. Very inexpensive. Power stack kit. There's a 5 and a 1.7, $149. Ratcheting wrenches, mechanics tools for 30 piece, $322. 4-pack of batteries, $159. Here's some salsa blades in a pack out, $64. 1/2 inch metric deep pack out socket set, 16 piece, $109. Here's a drill bit set, $14. The inflator and some 2 batteries. That's actually pretty good, $279. Pretty good deal on this one. 24 piece or $24 for a 5-piece. Still asleep here. Reciprocating saw blades in the case for $22. Here's an inflator for $89. Pretty good, guys. If you guys need some batteries for that high torque impact wrench, get the inflator. Here's 8 amp hour batteries, $179. $129 for some 6s. Crossline laser level, 12 volts, 20. $434. Master mechanic set, $14.99. That's a lot of tools. Here's another one, 605 piece, $652. Here's a ratcheting tap die set, 77 piece, 112 air compressor, 6-gallon, 150 psi, 159. Milwaukee work skin fitted hat, $22. Those are nice. Same thing with this lightweight performance t-shirt, $26. Gloves, $9.97. A yellow smart lock, $199. All right, these are different. All right, nothing crazy about these. Now it looks like that's all the tools. Yeah, that's it for today. I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of the video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.